Okay, so I was talking about deep frying some Hot Pockets yesterday, but I just ate the Hot Pockets. But what I do have is this delicious $1.77 pulled pork sandwich TV dinner from Safeway, and we're gonna see if we can deep fry that and how fucking awesome it's gonna be. So I microwaved this for a second so I could get it out of there, you know. But we got our pulled pork and our mac and cheese and our grease, which is probably, oh yeah. So here we go. Let that cook for a minute. I should have more like protective fire gear shit, but you know, fuck it. Oh, that's gonna be good. Hell yeah. All right. I don't know how long you're supposed to deep fry macaroni and cheese for. We'll give that another minute. I imagine we're probably pretty good, so check that shit out. Yeah. So I got my little colander thingy, and we're gonna. Oh, all right. So tell me that doesn't look fucking awesome. So good. Hell yeah. That was a good fucking idea. This. Boom. Alright. So there we go. We got our gourmet meal. No fucking pork, son of a bitch. Alright, here we go. Okay. Hot as fuck. Oh, that totally worked. That was a good fucking idea. That was a super good idea. So, can you deep fry TV dinners? Fuck yes you can. Awesome.